Hana hotu ho. Oda. Oda. Yana vare ho. Jo copyright. Yo, but just stand batlang suan tate ba batlang tšhelete tsa bona. Guys, Married at First Sight is on, and we are on season 3, and we are about to have content for days. We're gonna be triggered, and they will remind me of my life experiences, and then I'll have story time for days. Because guys, I like doing story times, but before you do story time, because I don't live by myself in this world, guys. There are people who contributed to my life stories. So it means when I tell you the story of my life, someone will have to feature in that story. But then there are people that I don't want to talk about, because again, maybe most of my story times, they will feature you. So now it will look as if I'm attacking you because I'm always talking about you. So that kind of limits my story time. I don't know how to work around that because I want to give you guys the stories. But then I don't want to talk about people because other people, they become highly sensitive when you talk about them. And what I know is that simply the truth. I'll tell you the truth, only the truth. I won't lie. It just reminded me of, okay, that's another story time. Let me not talk about it. I wanted to talk about Married at First Sight because I watched episode 1, 4 couples. So 2 couples tied the knot already. So now I was worried about Ibiso Yame. Her legs, I love her legs. Ugel fit, ugel bubbly. I love big smiles. She smiles and then she laughs like she laughs like that because I'm the type that laughs out loud. I laugh. When I laugh, I don't joke. I laugh, So I love her laughter. So Ugel, yeah, she's beautiful. She said she wants a tall guy, but she the physical appearance, she didn't say dark, she just said tall, but then they give her a yellow bone. The guy is not tall, he's standard. Yeah, for me he's short, yeah, but I don't think he's short because he's taller than her. So they match her with Lisiba, and Ulisiba serious. So these experts, they decided to match Utsidi Mtwana because Tsidi is bubbly and all, and then they're thinking there will be a good match. But I'm sorry guys, but Ulisiba uyazwakala ukuthi umuntu umjive, umuntu womugroove, because yena uhlala emugrooveni. So Ulisiba doesn't have order like that. Even his family members, his friends, his boys, because the family members, there was no adults, it was just boys, just like Matsidiso's dad said, ooh, ke squat, ke playboy. Ke playboy tata, nami ngijajile kanjani, ndibonile kanjalo vele ukuthi yo uhamba nama boys, because always ready to get into a V class. Siye emjivweni, re active years poor. Next week we're going to Cape Town, we're going to Durban. Kari we can say how muboni Bastrata, guys, is a Pretoria guy. I'm so sorry to my Pretoria guys, but I don't trust you. I won't marry a man from Pretoria because the ones that I know, like not dating, because I've never dated a guy from Pretoria, but the ones that I know, ngiyazi ukuthi priority yabo umjive, umugroove, umnandi, because uguy uthe yena he spends 200,000 in a day kogroove. Guys, ngathi yo abantu banemali la ngaphandle. Yo banemali guys, but mina I'm stingy guys. Even if I was a millionaire or even a billionaire, I wouldn't spend 200,000 komu jive, komu groove for the drinks. I'm at drinks. Hi guys. No, I'm too stingy for alcohol. Bila kusasa uyagula, abanye benu bayahlanza, because you know what guys, you know the thing about alcohol. My dad used to drink, right? I think the man was forcing the matters. my dad will drink, and on Saturdays, when you wake up on Sunday, in the bathroom, it's blah, 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 and we are all disgusted. And my mom will be saying, okay, now why what a waste of money. So that has always been my mentality. You drink, then tomorrow you wanna detox, you wanna throw it up, or throw it out. So my dad used to do that. He would go take 5 liters of water and then he's taking out the alcohol so that on Monday he can function again. So that expensive thing, your alcohol is expensive. For just few hours, then you take it out so that you can become your normal self again. So that's what I know, because that's what my dad was doing. Before function. So what a waste of money. So now imagine wasting 200k kuma alcohol, because I've seen these champagnes that cost 1,000, I don't know, maybe the more expensive, the more it doesn't make you it doesn't give you babalas. So tomorrow you are fine, no headache, nothing. Guys, it's a lie. It no matter how expensive it is, headache you at all. So you must buy painkillers tomorrow. Yeah, and be like my dad, take it out. So that's a lot. So I want to understand in bastrata, because imagine this man who goes to groove on Friday, you just know what's a maga Friday, but Monday to Friday he's at work and you're also at work. So you thinking weekend is family time, but he's not there. What's the point? What's the point of being with him? What's the point of having a family with this person now? So I'm just worried for Matsidi. This man is looking for someone who's going to fix him. So if you're not a fixer, but I know a lot of women, we like being fixers, and it doesn't work for us. You cannot fix a man. He needs to fix himself first so that he can come to you and say, I've done it all, I'm done. And he must be sure that I'm done. Not I'm done because you're here. I'm not gonna do these things because you're here. You are going to fix me. Whatever, you are not just going to fix him in that only. You have just adopted a grown-ass man, because now he's expecting you. Magamoshimali, maumbuza guti, imali uzotuwa ungamkuzanga. So why do you ukhuze umuntu omdala? Agaboni, because also, fixing a person, it takes a lot from you. Your energy. I don't know, because women, we tend to think men are projects, because I know I also used to be like that, because sometimes I think women somehow, we carry so much, we don't give ourselves grace, because sometimes when you find a man who looks like he's well put together, there is nothing to fix. You start looking down on yourself, what am I contributing in this relationship? Just being you. Sometimes you have to understand that just giving you as you are, it's enough. You don't have to worry. Sometimes we'll even say, this man knows how to cook for himself. He knows how to clean up. He knows how to do this and this and this and this. So what's my job as a woman? Your job is just to be, sometimes your job is just to be there and look beautiful. Just decorating, give advices here and there, but not men have got egos. Then he's gonna go and look for someone who will find him as clean as he is, so that he can have, the confidence. I came here like this. Secondly, fixed. So when you are the one to fix, he's passing through the fixation stage. You are the fixer, you fix, and he passes. And he's going to be a good man to that other person. But you have turned him into a good man. So don't ever do that to yourself. Hi, stop it. Ladies, you must stop it. So Matsidi, she didn't say she's looking for a project, but it looks like there is a project standing in front of her. So we don't know how to go, because married at first sight might shock you. It always shocks you. Because the ones that we said, this one is not working, it works. And the ones that we say, our couple, our people. Yo, kube drama, ungayazi. So yeah, we're just watching, we'll see. As for the second couple, which was Khulani and Nompumelelo, they're still young. Nompumelelo also doesn't have parents. Her parents passed away in a car crash, both of them, when she was 3 years old. Maybe she just got herself another family. I trust Khulani's mother. I don't know, Khulani's mother and the sisters. I looked at them and I was like, I just fell in love with that family. I fell in love with the sisters and the mother. They look like they are loving, they are accommodative, they are yonking. I don't know. Even Khulani himself, it's like he's reasonable, he's well put together. He's working and studying at the same time. Yeah, he said he's Christian. I'm not gonna say much about that. Because you know religions are religions, so I don't know which but he looks like he's kind, man. When I saw that family, I just saw kindness. I don't know if I'm misjudging, because we always do when it comes to married at first sight. Kindness in these people, starting from Khulani himself, you know. So I'm kind of happy for Nompumelelo, and I'm wishing her good luck with those people. I hope they just protect her. She's still young, man. So we'll see. The other two couples are coming next week. Our judgments, because guys, if you are featuring on Married at First Sight, don't be mad at us because we are judging you, because you just opened the gates for us to judge this assessment. I think we are guessing. We all want to come out right and say, my couple made it. So now we're going to be judging. We're going to judging from how you talk. This one is a fuck boy, but we'll see. So I can't wait. You know, Sundays are going to be interesting, because Monday will be coming here. Stories, and others who are there also, they will be coming and saying, yo, that's my husband. Hey, that's my baby daddy. Hey, that's my ex. Guys, sometimes I ask myself, even now, will I go to Married at First Sight? Let's say I was a bit younger, because I've never seen people above 40. Keep on Elisa, 40 last year. No. I'm trying to make sure. I know that I'm very complicated when it comes to relationships. And I don't learn how to love a person. I must look at you and say, Guna. That's why it takes me for my 10 years to find the one. You know, when I end a relationship, I'm ready to be single for my 8-10 years. Then I'll find the one after that. Because I know, guys, I think my type is very, very rare. Yeah. So when I say that I'm 40, you can just calculate to the one where I said this could be the one is how many people. Because obviously the first 10 years I was not dating. Even maybe the first 18 years I was not dating. I started dating when I was 19. So now you can just imagine, but this were the ones. How many people? Very few. Very, very few. All these others, even if ngiyenzile into but ngiyenzile ngiyazi ukuthi asikho sidingo kalokho. I'm just doing it because I'm a human being. Maybe I'm bored. Maybe I just want to see where it will end. But I know, even if I'm saying I want to see where it will end, but I know if you can just leave me with this person and say, Masiso forever and forever, no. Even the one that I kind of agree to forever, I knew I don't even know what I was doing, because this thing get question. So that I don't know. And after how long? So Married at First Sight wouldn't do. I'll look at this one and say no, and the other one and say no, and I will know, and I'll be very miserable, because being with someone that I know, I become very miserable because I don't even know how to pretend. You know? No. So hi, it can never be me. No, it can never be me. Mina ngiyasichuzela umuntu wami ngithi lawyer. Ngifuna ukuthi ngisichuzele. I don't want a person saying, hi, there's someone, I think, hey, this person will suit you. I want to match. No. No. Even the way you walk tells me, well, this one could be, I can be able to stand next to this person for a whole day. Otherwise ngifuna ngiyi-one, ngi-right ngiyi-one. And angisabi mina nokuba single galokhu, guys. Angisabi next. Mina ngaba single for years and I'm still okay. I'm fine with that. So yeah, when you are in a relationship, it's kind of scary to be single. I know. You are scared to be single when you are in a relationship. That is why most of us bandezela. Even though you can see, oh, this relationship is not working for me. We are bandezela because now you are used to being in a relationship. You are scared to be outside. But once you are out of it and you have decided, oh, I'm out. Now I wasted time. I wasted time. I could have been here long time ago because I'm comfortable here. So I think for me, life is like that. So Married at First Sight, I was just saying to you, it's on and I will be reviewing it. So I'm just looking for another reality TV show that I can review as well. So I'll see. I'll watch a couple of them and now I'll come back. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you and I appreciate you. I think I didn't introduce myself. My name is Mercedes Saya. CD baby, and you are on Dear My Soul, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye bye.